Ben, welcome to the Digital Scene Show here at the PhotoCine Expo.
Thank you.
And what do you offer there? What you got there?
We have a mini shotgun mic, which is part of an ENG pack, providing a complete solution for HDSLR videographers who are looking to improve the audio capture side of their productions. One of the key issues with onboard recording is you tend to pick up machine noise, the motor action or the physical knocks and bumps on the device as you're controlling it. That is captured in your audio track. So with the use of something like a mini shotgun mic that's discrete, you can mount it through a cold tube to the top of the camera. You're able to separate those issues, and furthermore your signal to noise ratios improve, because using a directional mic you're starting to reject the side or ambient noise,
right,
and you're getting a much better dialogue signal to track.
Now, what's the distance limit between the camera and the performer?
The ideal distance is between 3 and 4 meters. I mean, obviously you can come closer, but 3 to 4 meters out, and then this will actually capture out to about 9 meters in a dead quiet environment. So in general use, when you're doing an interview where you're roughly a couple of meters away from each other,
right,
ideal.
Now, so you sell this for DSLRs. Obviously, it can be used anywhere. What kind of input is it? Is it an 1/8 inch?
It is. It's an 1/8 inch. Yep.
It is an 1/8 inch. So it's really geared towards DSLRs mainly.
Yeah. Or we can actually adapt it through to a 3-pin XLR.
To an XLR, right?
So we can go to
right,
a professional connection point.
Sure.
We also, because it's part of the group of companies that is also associated with DiCapo, which is the head-worn mic that I'm using, we use a compact screw connector, which is a very small threaded connector.
Okay.
This then can use the same accessories that the DiCapo system uses, so we can actually adapt into small wireless transmitter packs. The major brands, Sennheiser, Shaw, Electrosonics, Audio-Technica,
right,
etc. We're able to adapt into their connector for their transmitter packs. So we're very much kind of adaptable into your existing wireless environment.
Now, sticking with DSLRs and connecting it directly to a DSLR, I'm assuming the audio quality improvement is huge compared to the built-in, right? But how does it compare to, let's say, like what we're doing here, which is with a Zoom recorder, going through an XLR? I mean, are we in between, or can we finally use the audio track built in, inside the DSLR as our main track?
You can. I still believe. No, I think the dual is the best. If you can separate to a dedicated recording device, anything that's combined, at some point there's some compromise. Yeah. Moving to an external recording device gives you the ability to improve your production value commensurately. Interesting backstory. This was originally developed through the Australian company to assist the ABC, the Australian Broadcasting Corporation. Brought a couple of hundred of the Zoom recorders for their radio talent, their journalists, and they were having issues with ambient noise in interviews. So their solution was this particular mic.
So that will cancel some of the ambient noise around it. And plus you can use it to improve your sync sound, right? Because capturing with the built-in mic, the sync sound that you use for, let's say, pluralize later on is pretty low, and if your talent is really far, you're not going to get them for sync.
Sure. In that scenario, I would also recommend the use of a preamp. The more that you can improve your signal to noise, your dynamic range and your noise floor.
Right.
So preamps do come into the picture if you're wanting to step up to the next level.
Sure. And what's the cost?
The kit is $499 at retail. It includes the microphone, a mic clip, a camera mount, a cold shoe, a boom pole, a bass, a pair of headphones, various cables for extending, and a full carry pack.
Wow, that's a pretty good deal.
It's great value.
Yeah, okay, and if people want to find out more information about this?
Sure, head to www.hosatech.com. That's HOSATECH.com.
Well, great to meet you, Ben. Thank you so much.
Thank you, it's been a pleasure.